Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital security. Today, we're tackling how to use a USB security key for Bank of America in 2025. With cyber attacks becoming more sophisticated, adding an extra layer of protection to your banking is smarter than ever. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a USB security key? It's a small, physical device that acts as a second factor for authentication, making it super tough for hackers to access your accounts. For Bank of America, this means enhanced security for logging in, transferring funds, and more. By 2025, it's expected to be a standard feature, so getting ahead now is a great idea. Before we start, make sure you have what you need. A compatible USB security key like a YubiKey, your Bank of America login details, and a computer with a USB port. If you're on the go, check if your key supports NFC for mobile use. Step 1. Purchase and set up your key. Head to a reputable site like Yubico and get one that's FIDO2 certified. Bank of America supports these. Once you have it, plug it into your computer. Step 2. Log into your Bank of America account online. Go to the Security Settings section, usually under Account Preferences or Two-Factor Authentication. Look for the option to add a security key. Follow the prompts to register it. You'll insert the key and press its button when asked. Step 3. Start using it. Next time you log in, after entering your password, the site will prompt you to insert and activate your key. It's that simple. For transactions, you might need to verify with it too, adding an extra shield against fraud. A few tips. Always keep your key safe, like you would a house key, and consider getting a backup. If you run into issues, like the key not being recognized, double-check your browser's compatibility or contact Bank of America's support. There you have it. Using a USB security key with Bank of America in 2025 is straightforward and secure. Boost your online safety today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.